Hello guys, today we'll be looking at how to fix the mouse loading icon won't go away issue. This video will guide you through various troubleshooting steps including restarting Windows Explorer, ending the spooler process, disabling the fingerprint device, updating the mouse driver, booting into safe mode, performing a clean boot, and running a SFC scan. Hopefully all these troubleshooting methods will help you resolve the issue with the mouse icon. Before we start, if you have any computer or software related issue, please feel free to submit your problem on our website or comment down below and we will make a solution video for you to resolve it. So let's get started. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer manages the user interface, including the desktop, taskbar, and file management. Sometimes a minor glitch in Windows Explorer can cause the mouse loading icon to persist. Step 1. To access the Task Manager, press Shift Ctrl plus Escape or right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, navigate to Processes tab. Select Windows Explorer. Right-click on the Windows Explorer and select the Restart option. Method 2. End the spoolers process. The spooler process is responsible for managing print jobs. Occasionally, issues with the print spooler can cause the mouse loading icon to stay visible. Press Ctrl, Shift and Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and look for Spoolers Subsystem app. Select and click on End Task. Method 3. Disable the fingerprint device. The fingerprint device, often in laptops, can sometimes cause conflict that result in the persistent mouse icon loading. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand the Human Interface Devices section, right-click on the fingerprint device and select Disable. Some laptops might have their fingerprint sensors in the Biometric Devices section. Method 4. Update the mouse driver. Outdated or corrupted mouse drivers can cause various issues, including the persistent mouse loading icon. Press Windows plus I and select Device Manager. Expand the Mice and Other Pointing Devices section. Right-click on the mouse and select Update Driver. Select Choose Automatically for updated driver software. Method 5. Boot into safe mode. Booting into safe mode can help determine if third-party software or drivers are causing the mouse loading problem. Press Windows plus I together to open Windows settings. Choose System from the left panel and head over to Recovery section on the right side of the window. Click on Restart Now button associated with Advanced Startup. Head over to Troubleshoot Advanced option in the next window. Choose Startup setting. In the following window, press 4 to launch safe mode. Once the PC boots into safe mode successfully, check if the issue persists. Method 6. Perform clean boot. A clean boot helps eliminate software conflicts by starting Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup program. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type msconfig and press Enter to open System Configuration. Go to Services tab. Check on the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. Click on Disable All button. Next, go to the Startup tab and click on Open Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, disable all the startup apps by right-clicking on each entry and selecting Disable. Close the Task Manager and go back to System Configuration window. Click OK and restart your PC. Method 7. Run SFC scan. The System File Checker SFC tool can scan for and repair corrupted system file that might be causing the persistent mouse loading icon. Open Start, search for command prompt and run it as administrator. Type the following command sfc/scan now. Be patient and wait till the scanning is complete. Method 8. Disable third-party Explorer add-on. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type REGEDIT and press Enter to open the registry editor. Navigate to the following path. Look for entries belonging to third-party add-ons. Right-click on them and select Delete. Close the registry editor and restart your PC. Method 9. Change your mouse cursor scheme. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to Bluetooth and devices. Select mouse from the left sidebar. Click on additional mouse option. In the mouse property window, go to Pointers tab. Under scheme, select the cursor scheme you prefer from the drop-down menu. Click Apply, then OK. Method 10. Disable mouse pointer location. Disabling mouse pointer location appears to be a workaround for the mouse pointer loading issue. Press Windows plus I to open Settings app. Go to Bluetooth and devices. Select mouse from the left sidebar. Click on additional mouse option. In the mouse properties window, go to the Pointers tab and check the box that says show location of pointer when I press the control key. Click Apply and then OK. Method 11. Change the mouse pointer. Many users claimed that by adjusting the mouse pointer setting, they could remove the mouse loading issue. Press Windows plus I to open the Settings app. Go to Bluetooth and devices. Select mouse from the left sidebar. Click on additional mouse option. In the mouse property window, go to the pointers tab. Select the pointers you want to change and click browse from the list or your files. Click open and then apply and press OK. Method 12. Repair MS Office installation. You might experience the Windows mouse loading cursor issue if your Microsoft Office installation becomes corrupted. You can resolve this by fixing the Office installation. Press Windows plus I to open settings, go to apps, find and select Microsoft Office from the list, click on modify. Choose quick repair for a fast, less extensive repair or online repair for a thorough fix. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the repair process. Method 13. Check file system error. The mouse loading error can be effectively fixed by running chkdsk on your computer's hard disk to check for potential issues that might be related to the error. Open Start, search for command prompt and run it as administrator. Type chkdsk/f/c and press enter. Replace C with the letter of the drive you want to check if C is not present on your device. Press Y when prompted to schedule device check on the next restart. Restart your PC. The disk check will automatically run on startup and check for any issues with the disk. If any issues is found, it will be fixed automatically. Method 14. Set time and date. Ensure your system date and time are correct. Incorrect date and time can sometimes cause mouse loading issue. Press Windows plus I to open the settings app. Go to time and language, select date and time from the left sidebar. Toggle on set time automatically and set time zone automatically or manually adjust the setting. Click on sync now to update the time. Method 15. Disk cleanup. Clearing the File Explorer crashes history can help in case of causing conflict. When the data becomes old and faulty, it can cause the mouse loading issue. Step 1. In the search box, type disk cleanup. Choose the appropriate option to initiate disk cleanup. Click on the delete files icon and then click on OK. Method 16. Scan for antivirus. Malware and viruses can cause system slowdowns. Conducting a complete computer scan using authorized antivirus or anti-malware tool to check for issues can help in resolving the issue with the mouse. Step 1. Type Windows Security in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Security. In the Windows Security window, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Under Current Threats, click on Quick Scan to perform a basic scan. For a more comprehensive scan, you can choose the full scan. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the scan. If any threats are detected, Windows Defender will provide options to remove or quarantine them. So this is it for the video. If this video fixes your issue, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If the issue still persists, then comment down below and we'll try to resolve it for you. Thank you.